In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell t-shirts on Etsy without inventory in 2025. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll set up your Etsy shop. You'll want to head over to etsy.com/sell. Once you're there, you'll start by creating your shop. It's important to choose a name that's unique and memorable. Consider something that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Once you've got that sorted, you'll move on to branding. This includes designing a logo, setting up a banner for your shop, and establishing your shop's policies. Don't forget to input your payment and billing information so you can start receiving those sales right away. Next up is connecting your print-on-demand partner to Etsy. Go to your chosen Pody provider's website and create an account there. Once your account is set up, navigate to the integration section and select Etsy. You'll be prompted to authorize this connection, which will redirect you to Etsy for approval. And voila, your Pody account is now synced with your Etsy shop, allowing for seamless transactions. Now let's add your t-shirt products. Head over to your Pody dashboard and select a blank t-shirt product to start with, such as the popular Bella plus Canvas 3001. Upload your design onto this product. Take a moment to adjust the placement, size, and color options until they are exactly how you envision them. Once you're satisfied, you can directly push this listing to Etsy. The great part about this is the product listing will automatically be filled with mockups, variations in sizes and colors, and pricing, which saves you a ton of time. Now that your product is listed, it's time to optimize your Etsy listing. Start with the title. Make sure it's rich with keywords, something like funny dog lover shirt, graphic tee, gifts for pet owners. In the description, provide details like what the shirt is made of, include sizing information, and detail shipping and processing times. Don't overlook the power of Etsy tags. Use all available tags. Think of tags like custom shirt, graphic tee, and unisex t-shirt. For mockups, use the ones provided by your Pody or create lifestyle mockups using tools like Canva or Placeit to really make them stand out. Once a customer places an order on Etsy, the order will automatically sync with your pod provider, who handles printing, packing, and shipping to the customer. The profit you make is the sales